Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So let us start with the post-market analysis as usual and uh, let us see how market behaved today. So before we play and see how market behaved today, yesterday I have marked an important zone which would act as a resistance. You can identify where I am highlighting. Okay, and let us see how market behaved today. So there were more chances that market would open gap up, and as I have marked this level 36,800 was the strong resistance level and more possibility of this resistance level uh, to be broken. Okay, as it was tested more than two times, we saw it tested third time as well, and this resistance level was broken with a good gap up opening, and gap up opening was above the level 37,000, which was another round figure resistance, strong resistance level. Okay, so what we can see, you can identify that almost uh, complete first section was there in this particular zone itself. It was facing up and down as I highlighted. As in my previous analysis, I also showed you that market would face a resistance or it would be in a sideways zone in this particular area. Similar behavior we found over here. Now, why this could be the case? Why this could be the case? Just think and see. There are two reasons market was in this particular zone. Now, one may say that there was some RBI news. Uh, I don't think that would impact much more thing. Two things what we can identify was we clearly see in this particular zone market went into the sideways and it was just hitting the stop losses on both the sides. Second thing, you if you look at this or if you know well about the gap, there was a huge gap right in between. So usually what happens when market is trying to fill this gap, it face resistance. It would when it tries to move up, it would face a resistance or this particular gap would act as a resistance, and on top of that we already have this particular zone. Okay, so this zone was supposed to be a very strong zone, and this is what we found, that market took a long time to break out this level. And in yesterday's analysis also I had clearly stated that for safer trader or new traders buy above this particular level. Okay, and we saw a quick move and later a downfall as well. But until this zone where market was trading, it was very tough because I also tried to trade today. I was off the work, but I ended up in no profit no loss situation as well. Okay, so that is different case. Now let us move on to this particular from this particular time frame, that is 1 hour time frame, and considering our price action indicator. So as I was stating last few days that this particular zone or level 36,800 is an important level for bullish momentum, and we saw a break out of this particular level and market has traded above. Okay, and you can clearly see that market has turned up its face from lower low to higher low, another higher low, and we can see another higher low forming tomorrow as well. So tomorrow being expiry trade, very cautiously or basically try to trade next week's expiry. Okay, and let us see the intraday levels and analysis. So don't skip the video till the end. From learning point of view also, I would be showing few of the points. Okay, so you can see the levels at the bottom. 36,000 has become the strongest support. We have a strong support zone between 36,200 to 300. Another strong support at 36,500 and 37,000. As we saw, 37,000 was acting as a good resistance level. When it was broken, it started acting as a support. And below this, 37,000, we have another strong support zone between 36,700 to 800. At the top, we have a good resistance of 37,500 and 38,000 level. So how to take the trade based on market opening? If market opens above this particular level, that is 37,390 or 85, then do not enter into the trade immediately. Let market come to this particular zone or level 37,500. You can either into a short sell trade or wait for market to break this level 37,500 and then enter into the buy trade. Okay, if market opens flat as highlighted in this particular zone, do not enter into the trade based on, you can enter into the trade based on the market moves, right? Okay, or what I mean to say, if market come to this particular point and it makes a dip, okay, so based on the dip, if you see a strong bearish candle or something, you can take your decision and enter into the short selling trade, and you can get 100 or 200 points rally, as we have a strong support at this particular level. And if you see a bullish momentum, then you can definitely enter into the buying side trade. If market opens below this particular level, that is 37,225 or 22, then do not enter into the short sell trade, because we have a good support develop at this particular level. Let the market show its move, let it take a U-turn, and based on the formation of a bullish candle pattern, you enter into the trade. Okay, I hope you might understand or you follow this pattern. Okay, and why I have marked this level, you can clearly identify that market has faced 37,500 a resistance in the previously as well, and yeah, previously as well. So one more thing I would like to show you is that, so what could happen, or how the market would move. We saw a downfall, right? We saw a downfall. This is how the market usually moves in a downfall. Okay, in this particular manner. I just don't remember the terms at the moment. Otherwise, what? Yeah. So basically, in a downfall, this is an impulse. Upward movement is correction. This is an impulse, correction, and the market went on to a sideways. Okay, we saw this was a parallel zone, and from here, market gave a breakout. Okay, so next resistance level is this particular thing, which comes at around 38,000. So what could happen? Two things. So market could take a dip, because market has already broken the resistance level, okay, which was around 36,800. This was the resistance level, or we can call this was the resistance zone, 36,800 to 700, and then it can take this, come down and fly. Or the second case would be, if market opens with a good gap up, it can touch this level, come down, and then fly. There are two possibilities. So this is the thing how market can move tomorrow. Considering expiry, please trade carefully. And one more thing, okay, let me see how do I get out of this particular thing. I'm just not able to switch. Okay, I'm not able to get back my cursor. Let me see how it behaves while recording. How do I hide? Okay, let me see if I could show you this particular image. Yeah, this is what I wanted to show you guys. but I don't think I would be able to show because of this recording in place. Okay, exit drawing. I have got. So this is a 1 minute time frame. I have taken a screenshot. So this is along with the uh, what we can say price action indicator. I was trading in the morning. After so long time, I got time to trade. So we can see market opened with a huge gap. It formed a higher high and it came down to this particular level. It formed higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Market kept on moving. And at this particular point, when it was over here, I saw that uh, we can draw a trend line touching maximum more than 2 to 3 points. So one, two, three, four, and more chances of breaking. So this is what I have highlighted. So just for those who don't know how to draw the trend lines and how market even reacts to these trend lines, just to give an example, I have shown you this. So you can clearly identify that. So sharp breakdown was at this particular level, might be something around 10-15. Let me zoom in and show you. Okay, we saw a breakdown, market move down quickly, and I have extended the trend line same to the right, we can say. And when market bounced back, it faced the resistance at this particular point, right? This is how the beauty of the trend line or how market behaves. So if you know the how to draw the trend lines and how to take the trades based on it, you can definitely be into a profit. Another trend line was this particular trend. This is a 1 minute time frame. You can even convert your chart into 1 minute time frame and see. Market was taking support and it gave a breakdown. Okay, bounce back quickly. One, two, three, four. Market gave a breakdown at this particular point. Now we also add a horizontal line as a resistance line where market face resistance of this particular line at two places, first, second, and it gave a breakout with a big candle and then it moved further. So this is how important it is to draw the trend lines when trading, identify the breakdown and take the trade. So I hope you like my analysis. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel to get the daily analysis. Thank you.